Hi, my name is Ellie LoVeux and today I'm gonna be showing you how to do this Victoria's Secret style makeup. Okay, so I'm gonna start out with applying some primer to my face. And then I'm moving on to brows. For brows, I'm using a brow pencil, a bit of an ashy shade. And I'm really just making them very fluffy and thick. Then I'm setting those brows with a brow gel and really making them fluffy and thick and bushy. Then I'm applying some ashy brown tones in the outer corner, kind of like an underpainting technique for the glitter that we will put on top after. And I'm also putting some white shadow on the brow bone and inner corner. Then it's time to put a glitter on top. I chose a very silvery, iridescent glitter, and I put it all over the lid. And I'm taking that same ashy brown shade on the lower lid and kind of putting an emphasis on my eye bags, but in a good way, you know. Then I'm taking a liquid black liner and I'm just making a very short and stubby eyeliner. Then I'm taking some black shadow and kind of smoking out this liner. And I'm taking an eyelash curler. I'm really curling those lashes to get that open eye effect. And then I put some mascara on my top lashes. Then I'm taking that liquid eyeliner pen again and I'm gonna tightline my lashes. Be careful that you don't actually put it in your eye because that does hurt. And then for the lower lashes, I'm putting on some mascara followed by a white waterline. Then when the eyes are done, I'm taking a skin tint and just putting that all over my face. Followed by some concealer under my eyes very lightly and also on blemishes. And then I finish that off with a finishing powder. Then I'm putting on some shimmery bronzer. I'm doing this very generously because the models are very tan and I am very pale, so I'm also using that same bronzer to contour my nose a bit. Then it's time to really get glowy and I'm putting the highlighter all over my nose, kind of 2016 makeup style, and I'm also putting it on my cheekbones, blending into the eye makeup to make it one whole look. For the blush, I'm taking this red shade because I saw somewhere that is what they actually used on the models. Then moving on to the lips, I'm starting with lining them out with a kind of neutral pinky color. And then filling them in with this pink pale gloss. To then again bring the glowiness back into the look, I'm putting on a glittery lip gloss on top, very generously, and then I'm just finishing off the look with a dewy setting spray. Yeah, and that's really it. It's such a glamorous look. I really love it, and it gave me such a glow. Let me know what you think of the look in the comments, and love you, eggs.